Right, hello, welcome back to this very short video. Quite different to what I normally do, simply because this one that I've been building it off camera simply because it's too big to fit on camera, as you can probably see. So I've been doing this in my own time, so now it's finally finished. So it's a 2003 Lincoln limousine, and I've painted it in the colours of the Northampton-based Motley Crue. And this is team driver John Golden, aka Goldie. Yeah, I'll try and go around it. I'll go over top as well. Yeah, it's taken a while to build this as you've got 2 H-frames in it. Need it because of the size of it. Yeah, so yeah, this is it really, yeah. Like I say, finally got this finished. Hope you enjoyed the short video. We'll look at any comments I get underneath as usual. So yeah, until I do the usual videos again, take care, stay safe, enjoy yourselves, what you're doing. Bye for now. Bye bye.